Plant family, 99 genera in Orobanchaceae. Ferbvu explores the Orobanchaceae plant family. Hello there. Ferbvu here, embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of the Orobanchaceae plant family. This group of plants, often referred to as broom rapes, are renowned for their unique parasitic lifestyle and striking adaptations. Join me as I unravel their secrets and delve into their remarkable diversity. Unraveling the parasitic nature. The Orobanchaceae family members are obligate parasites, meaning they entirely depend on their host plants for survival. These cunning plants lack chlorophyll, the green pigment responsible for photosynthesis, and therefore cannot produce their own food. Instead, they cleverly attach themselves to the roots of other plants, tapping into their vascular system to siphon off water, nutrients, and even carbohydrates. A diverse array of genera. The Orobanchaceae family boasts a remarkable range of genera, each with its own unique characteristics and adaptations. Orobanchaceae. This genus, commonly known as broom rape, is the most widespread and diverse in the family. These plants are infamous for their devastating impact on crops, especially legumes and sunflowers. 199 species in genus Orobanchaceae. Striga. The witchweeds of the Striga genus are particularly notorious in Africa, where they wreak havoc on cereal crops like maize, sorghum, and millet. Echinacea. Often called forest ghost flowers, Echinacea species are captivating with their translucent, ethereal appearance. These fascinating plants parasitize a wide range of hosts, including grasses and bamboo. Christisonia. Found in tropical Asia, Christisonia plants are striking with their large, showy flowers. These parasites primarily target members of the legume family. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Adapting for survival. Orobanchaceae plants have evolved a suite of remarkable adaptations that enable them to thrive in their parasitic lifestyle. These include specialized haustoria. These modified roots penetrate the host plant's tissues, establishing a direct connection to its vascular system. Reduced leaves and stems. Since they don't photosynthesize, Orobanchaceae plants have minimized their leaves and stems, often appearing as simple, fleshy stalks. Elaborate seed germination mechanisms. Many species require chemical signals from their host plants to trigger seed germination, ensuring they establish themselves in close proximity. Prolific seed production. To compensate for their dependence on host plants, Orobanchaceae produce vast quantities of tiny seeds, increasing their chances of finding a suitable host. The importance of understanding. Studying the Orobanchaceae family isn't just an academic pursuit. It holds significant practical implications. Understanding these plants' biology and adaptations is crucial for developing effective control strategies to mitigate their impact on agriculture. Conclusion. The Orobanchaceae plant family is a fascinating group of organisms that have mastered the art of parasitism. Their unique adaptations and diverse range of genera make them a captivating subject of study. As we continue to unravel their secrets, we gain valuable insights that can help protect our crops and ensure food security.